We have some exciting choices coming to the school district in the fall, and we're really starting at an earlier level by aligning our curriculum and our program of studies longitudinally through 6th through 12th grade. But some of the courses that we're really excited about, I'll start with the computer science courses. We will be partnering with Carnegie Mellon University in implementing a computer science curriculum 6th through 12th. So our students will be able to get that hands-on computer science starting right in 6th grade with some basic courses in coding, and then right up through 8th grade we'll enter Computer Science 0 and then on into high school. The unique thing about these courses is that they will be required for our students. Computer science in the state of Pennsylvania, probably within the next few years, will become a required course. So we believe it plays a role in no matter whether you go into career and technical education, college, but it'll have an important impact. We also are excited about our new cybersecurity and esports gaming component. Esports is really so much more than gaming, but what it does allow is thousands of career paths in the same sense, whether it's from a career path or whether it's college. Those courses will be incorporated in a rotational basis, starting in 6th grade, quarterly, and then also cybersecurity will follow. We're developing curriculum with both. Our middle school gaming curriculum will be the first in the state of Pennsylvania, so we'll be very proud of that. But it really starts to align what we want to do entering into high school. So what we've decided to do is give our students an opportunity to start to explore these career paths at an early point in their life. So next year, with alignment of our curriculum, it will allow students to try different opportunities. This way, if they want to switch gears, it's not too late. I believe as much as in success as in failure, because until you try something you don't know. So that's why it's important to do that. But by the following year, we will be completely aligned in grades K through 12 with our career path opportunities. The students will have opportunities galore. They will be able to pick and choose their path with the amount of courses that we're offering. The courses will just give them a choice in a period of time to make that decision, but to try different things, but also get them real hands-on experience with the technical skills that they're going to need at any level. A school district really truly could be brought together between labor, private sector businesses, and obviously government. We will be partnering with IBEW, the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, to start a pre-apprenticeship program. With our cybersecurity component, we are excited to be partnered with the University of Pittsburgh. With ESports, we'll be partnering with the NACEF, the National Organization of Esports organization out of Orange County, California. And as I mentioned before, our computer science will be aligned with Carnegie Mellon. But the remaining portion of our engineering courses, we are also partnering, we're going with Project Amazon.
So there are 4 new art courses coming to River Valley. On the 2D aspect, we're going to have illustration and painting, and whether a student chooses to take both of those classes or just one, they can still go hand in hand. Some of those techniques will be used across both of the classes. So for illustration, my biggest goal is to create compositions to piece together in a book. So the students will use imagery and things that they had learned from graphic design as well to figure out what kind of book they'd like to create, being like either a children's book or like a sports book, informational, even scientific can go with this as well. There will be no limitation on the pages, and then in the end they learn how to bookbind as well. So a skill that they can use in the classroom and outside of it as well. Then in regards to painting, especially painting 1, the kids are going to be learning more technical fine art skills using things like watercolors and acrylics, how they would almost at a college level. So they'll experience things on canvas, they'll experience things on the proper kinds of paper, but it just depends on which medium that they are using. Now, not every single student is a 2D student, so I wanted to bring in pottery and sculpture to drive our 3D students as well. So in pottery, all of us are very familiar with clay and throwing and slab techniques and all of those pieces. I wanted to incorporate sculpture as well, because it's not just the clay medium, it can be things like casting with plaster or using different mediums like metal and driving those pieces into different kinds of forms. So I hope that this can bring all students together and give them a nice art niche to experiment in and learn in. As a student, any of these classes could meet anyone's diverse artistic abilities. Now, even if a student's like, I'm not very artistic, that's fine. It's about effort, and effort drives creativity and problem solving. Art classes are an open place for self-expression, but also that creative problem solving is developed here and nurtured, and it just brings out all these possibilities for every single learner.
In the new cryptocurrency course, students will be learning the fundamentals and basics of cryptocurrency. They will learn the technology that is required with digital currencies. We will also be discussing mining and investing. The course will utilize an online platform that's provided through Princeton University. The platform, which was designed by a professor at Princeton, will focus on the top form of currency, Bitcoin. Currently, roughly 25% of Americans own Bitcoin, and that number is continuing to grow every day. This course will provide students the background information needed to learn the ins and outs of cryptocurrency. With the popularity of cryptocurrency, I believe that it's important to learn about it. It's something that people are investing in every single day, and we're going to learn about the history of it, and I just really think with the popularity of it and where it is going that everyone should really learn about it.
We are starting a new course over at our STEAM Academy. The course is going to be a child development course, so anyone that might be interested in working with kids, pre-K through high school, this is an opportunity for them to learn a little bit about child development, understanding how children grow, how they develop, what expectations should be at different ages, and the importance of working with children. This is an opportunity for students that may be interested in a career in education to really kind of delve deep to see if it's something that might fit for them. A lot of times they go into a career opportunity, or they go into college thinking that they might like to work with children, and then once they get there they find out it's not a fit. So it's an opportunity for them to be able to come and participate in the course and see if it's something that would really work for them.
Homeland Security requires the communication and coordination of police, firefighters, paramedics, the U.S. Marshals, immigration services, and the military. Basically, it's learning about the men and women in uniform in this country who keep us as Americans safe every day. If you're interested in law enforcement, or maybe becoming active in the fire department, or you're just interested in learning about the government, you would want to take this course.
So in public speaking, we work on all aspects of communication, from body language to eye contact, to things like enunciation, to the tone of voice that we use for certain audiences and certain topics. We also plan speeches. We make outlines so that we can deliver informative speeches, introductory speeches, persuasive speeches, and sometimes we even work into public service announcements and more creative speeches like that. But in general, it is to become more confident in our communication skills. I usually get two kinds of students in this course. Some students who are petrified of public speaking and who have had a horrific experience during it, and they want to overcome that, and they want to become better public speakers. Or I get extroverted students who might be in the theater department, who have no problem with the creative side of public speaking or getting in front of people, but they just need help with the academics, the planning, the execution, properly using technology to help make their point and to help get their point across to their audience. And hopefully both of those students come away from public speaking with more confidence in their delivery and more confidence in their ability to plan and execute any kind of communication that we work on.
SMART's an acronym for Sports Medicine and Rehabilitation Therapy, and it's a program designed to prepare students for careers in physical therapy, occupational therapy, exercise physiology, or other health and wellness related fields. You'd want to take this course if you had an interest in health and fitness, health and wellness, or generally overall helping other people achieve their health and fitness goals or rehab from an injury or return back to the workforce. Career opportunities would include physical therapists, physical therapy aid, occupational therapist, occupational therapy aid, rehabilitation therapy aid, exercise physiology, personal training. You could even get into coaching, fitness and wellness careers, working in health and wellness facilities, things along that nature. Most of those careers would require education beyond the SMART program, but it would be a good lead-in to those bachelor and master's programs.
The internship course is a new course that we are offering here. It's a half-credit course. It is a career-focused course that will allow students the opportunity to pick a career area that they want to focus on in the school. They can be paired up with a teacher, a staff member. If they want to do this outside of the school setting, they can also work with a community organization, a business, or any other approved organization, that the school would, approve of. This is an opportunity for students to get out of the classroom, to go work while they are in school and earn credit. It's a great opportunity for kids to make a difference in the school, make a difference in your community, and do something that you really want to get out and get some real hands-on experience during the school day.
The new CMU Academy CS2 course is an interactive course where students will learn graphics-based computer science skills, specifically using Python coding language. The curriculum that we will be using is provided by Carnegie Mellon University and their Computer Science Academy. The course is designed in a way to help students understand that computer programming can open doors to many different avenues, regardless of their interests or future plans. They will not only learn computer programming skills, but also problem-solving skills, creative thinking skills, computation, and so much more. I believe that students would want to take this course because there's so much value in computer programming. So many different career choices and career paths and opportunities, and it's beneficial for anyone.
This is our new to next year, our Principles of Manufacturing course. And in this course, we are going to learn a number of different things so that we can build certain projects and learn about the manufacturing environment. Some of the steps that we will go through in learning these things are measurements. We need to know how to measure. We need to know about our safety. As you can see, I have my safety goggles on. We wear them at all times. In this course, we are going to go through the safety and go through all of the OSHA 10 regulations. One thing at the end of the course, if you chose to take this course, you would learn all of the instrumental effects that you need to pass the OSHA 10 certification. At the end of the year, each of us will have an opportunity for a small fee that will be covered by the course for you to pass your OSHA 10. And now what does that mean to you? That means you are an employable person. You will be able to go down to a local manufacturing company, present your certification, and it gives you one step above everyone else that is applying for a job. So that is just one of two reasons why you would take this course. The other reason you would take the course is so that you could learn the skills to be in the manufacturing environment, and even if you don't do anything else with manufacturing, you're able to produce projects such as the Adirondack chair. So we have a number of different reasons why you would be in this course and why you would take it, and I hope that next year you become one of my students.
River Valley is going to offer a new course called Cybersecurity. These courses will be offered at the River Valley STEAM Academy, which is located in Salzburg. Students will be able to be enrolled in grades 10, 11, and 12. where they will be involved in taking courses dealing with network security, application security, information security. We're going to be looking at ethical hacking. Right now in Pennsylvania, they're looking for over 800 candidates to fill jobs that available in cybersecurity. The average salary of a cybersecurity specialist is between $80,000 and $100,000.
So the course is Advanced Robotics, and what it does is it gives the students an opportunity to explore their interest in robotics, electronics, radio control, and things like that. We are going to have the opportunity to explore potentially different local factories around and earn partnerships with manufacturing facilities to kind of get an idea of what they're looking for. We're going to take that knowledge, we're going to apply it to building a robot and hopefully competing in a regional competition. The robot is going to perform a task, it's going to have to beat up on some other robots, and the students are going to get a well-rounded look at what it takes to build something, design it, start from scratch and kind of go from there and hopefully come out on top with a victory. The benefit of taking the Advanced Robotics course allows you to enhance your technical skills, your communication skills, prepare you for the workforce. It just gives you an opportunity to work as a team with other classmates and gain experience in the robotics, technical, mechanical, manufacturing field, and give you a well-rounded look at what it takes to be on top.
Hi, the Electrical Occupations course at the River Valley School District STEAM Academy is an excellent opportunity for any student to become an electrician. Electrical Occupations will provide career training for students to become a residential electrician, an industrial electrician, or a commercial electrician, or all in one. That's a prime opportunity to enter this specific career pathway. Every student wants to know why today. It's not just good enough to be able to translate information. The why you want to know how to operate and be an electrician would be to have an excellent career pathway and life-sustaining wages that can reach upwards of $100,000. There's also steps from the Electrical Occupations program, including pre-apprenticeship in local trade associations, as well as then entrance into the apprenticeship program for those trade organizations. Students who are successful in the program will have that opportunity to work through a variety of stepping stones as they enter this career.
River Valley is offering esports programming all the way from the middle school up till 12th grade next year, which allows students the opportunity to blend their interest in video games, competition, with technology and a variety of different careers that esports offers you. It's not just about competing in games. It's graphic design, it's data analysis, it's commentating, it's using your creative mind, using your technical mind, and using your tactical mind. All of it is blended together in the esports programming. You have even the slightest interest in gaming, computers, or just competition, my strong recommendation would be to get involved in the esports programming. It's going to be exciting, it's going to be fun, and it's going to be beyond just the classroom. It will be a sport. It may be esports, but it will be a sport. It will be competition. It will be fun. And if you have any interest at all whatsoever in the future of technology and competition, esports is for you.